suffer and get a lot of subscribers based on posting people video. One day like this, YouTube will just terminate everything. How to make money on YouTube posting people's video. That's a risky something people do on that platform. That is very risky, that can lead for YouTube terminating your account or demonetizing you. So I will tell you, don't stop posting people's video on your YouTube account, because people know now that YouTube is paying a lot of money. Some accounts are making a lot of money. So what people do now is that if you post their video, they will report your video. As a beginner, you don't know when they report your video. You will not see it in your dashboard. When you are using just YouTube app, you will not see it unless you go to your uploaded videos. You will see that video have been marked or ticked unpublished. And if you use Google account and check your account, if you use Google like Chrome, you use Google search and check your account and log in your YouTube, you will now see that YouTube have already maybe demonetized you or suspended you for reaching for people to see your videos. So I will not advise anybody out there to post people's video. Yes, some people are posting others people's video to make money. But before you post anybody video to make money on YouTube, you have to tell the person, reach out to the person, ask the person, tell the person, should I use your video, please? There is a way you can test the person, maybe on email or chat on other social media accounts that the person have. You can chat the person and say, can I use your videos on my YouTube channel? If the person say yes, you can go ahead, because that person must surely see one of his video when you are posting it. That's why people are being demonetized or being banned on YouTube, and they don't know. They don't even know. You can use YouTube Studio to see some of your videos that have been unpublished and your account is being at risk. You will suffer and get a lot of subscribers based on posting people video. One day like this, YouTube will just terminate everything. YouTube will just ban your account just like that. All the suffering, everything you suffered and labored for will just go in vain. So my advice to people starting on YouTube, the beginners, stop posting people's video to make money on YouTube. It will not help you, it will not take you anywhere. Because I remember when I was posting people video, I'm not even posting people video, I was doing reaction on people's video. Do you know that people started reporting my account because they saw that I'm heading to, that time I was heading to 2,000 subscribers, 2K subscribers. So I noticed it, and YouTube banned me from posting some like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Then later YouTube resolved it, and I have to delete all the reaction videos that I have made before. So if you are making reaction video or posting people's video to make money on YouTube, better delete those videos and start making your video. You can stay like me in your house, buy this small tripod, make and talk video, talk to fans. One day somebody will start loving your video. So I will not advise anybody to be using people's video to make money. So for me, I have my own reason. So if you want to make money on YouTube channel, make your own video. Make your own video. That's the only way to make money on YouTube. Make your own video. Thank you guys. I love you guys. And people out there are reporting people's video. If you don't know, stop using people's video to make money to post on YouTube. YouTube will terminate your account and you'll be bound, and you have to open another and start afresh. Open another account to start afresh again. A lot of stress. So save yourself from this stress and this problem. Start making your own video. One day one of your video will blow. As far as you are saying the reasonable thing that people want to watch, your video will blow up and people will start watching your video. That's how to grow on social media accounts. So I love you guys. Peace out and God bless. This is my camera.